Today we're going to do disc brakes on the Chevelle. Last week we got the control arms and drop spindles on, and now it's sitting here like we left it parked in a bad neighborhood. So we're dying to see what it looks like on the ground with the 2-inch drop. And these rotors and calipers are going to get us there. What do we have here, Josh?
This is an oldie but a goodie. This is one of our highest selling kits that we sell. It's a 64 to 72 GM A-body kit. GTO, Chevelle, Cutlass, all the good ones. Uses stock style components. You can replace them at any parts store if you're ever on the road and have trouble. This would have been the rotor you got factory on this Chevelle if you would have ordered it that way. This setup is actually the 31958D, which gives us drilled and slotted rotors for only 25 extra bucks. I think those will look pretty good through our new rocket wheels. Yeah, should be a pretty fun setup. Go right on our G-Comp drop spindle here and
should we get started?
Get it back on the ground, yeah. Let's get it going.
Find some capsule nuts up there, and I'm going to see if I can find a longer, like 1 3/4 bolt for that steering.
So a quick review of why we're switching to the new G-Comp spindle for our disc brake conversion. Original GM drum brakes have the boss bolted to the top here for the backing plate. This boss is thicker on a drum spindle than it is on a disc brake spindle. When we go to line our caliper bracket up on our new G-Comp spindle, you can bolt this flat. This piece will slide over right in the same plane and bolt up. When you try to use a disc brake caliper bracket on a drum brake spindle, when you get into this plane and you slide it over, you can see that it's way too much material on the top here. So what you have to do to your factory GM spindle is you have to cut this down about 1/4 inch. You have to drill this threaded hole out deeper, as well as getting a 5/8 fine thread machinist style bit that's threaded all the way to the tip of the tap. Those are about a $40, $50 bit. Plus you got to be able to chuck this up in a mill. Got to have a buddy that has a mill, all that frustration. So we have disc brake factory GM spindles that are the same ride height that already have this boss removed and shortened so that your disc brake kit can bolt right on all together, as well as the G-Comp spindle option, which has the added benefit of better geometry and bolting everything all right together.
Well, we're all buttoned back up, car's back on the ground, it's way lower than it was before, and everything went together pretty smoothly.
Yeah, the new disc brake kit went right on the G-Comp spindle, no grinding, welding, anything like that, just regular hardware that's in the bucket there, and got her back on the ground here, and we're just gonna have to take it for a drive over to the alignment shop and see how things go, see if this is low enough, too low, or just right.
All right, so stay tuned. Next time we're gonna maybe talk about making it go a little faster now that we get it to stop.
Yeah, get a little power injection in it.
So we'll be on Facebook, YouTube, and our website. Thanks for watching.